Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000, shows 119,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It has a green exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine. The truck is in good overall condition, with cold air conditioning and hot heat working properly, making it comfortable for daily use. While it does need a transmission, a low-mileage replacement transmission complete with a torque converter is included in the price, adding significant value. The Sierra has been well cared for and recently updated with several new components. These include a new radiator, master cylinder, rear brake cylinders, O2 sensors, trailer brake system with a 7-pin trailer plug, a seat compressor, and new tires. It is also equipped with a leather tonneau cover, adding both style and utility. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has 88,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior with a black interior and comes with a clean title in the owner's name. The truck runs and drives well, has no rust, and is powered by a 350 engine swap paired with a turbo 3-speed automatic transmission. It is fitted with long tube headers that give it a great sound, along with good tires all around. The interior stands out with an ostrich leather bench seat and matching headliner. On the downside, the body is straight but will need paint and some bodywork. The door pins need to be replaced. It could benefit from a general tune-up, and a few interior pieces are missing. Overall, this truck is a solid running project with good mechanical upgrades and a unique interior. Number 3. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,995. Dependable and capable pickup truck that is well suited for both everyday driving and work-related use. It has approximately 182,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and consistent performance. The truck comes with a gold exterior that gives it a classic look, complemented by a clean gray interior that offers a comfortable driving experience. The vehicle has been well maintained and runs smoothly, reflecting the durability and reliability Chevrolet is known for. Its comfortable interior makes it practical for daily use, while its solid build and performance make it suitable for hauling or light work tasks. Overall, this Silverado represents a trustworthy and well-kept example of a classic Chevrolet truck that continues to deliver quality, comfort, and dependable performance. Number 4. 1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,995. This truck is powered by a strong and reliable 5.9L Magnum V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 160,000 miles, which is considered low for its age. It features a red exterior with a black interior and comes equipped with the Sport Package, offering color-matched exterior trim and upgraded styling. This Ram 1500 is an extended cab model with rear seating, providing extra interior space and comfort. It has 4x4 capability, making it suitable for various road and off-road conditions. The body is clean and straight, with well-maintained paint throughout. The truck runs and drives great and is fitted with upgraded all-terrain tires, enhancing both performance and traction. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet C30, price $8,900, shows 91,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a black exterior with a blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a strong 454 engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and the truck runs and drives very well. The vehicle sits on brand new tires and also includes 2 spare tires, providing added value and peace of mind. This C30 comes equipped with a 5th-wheel plate and has all the updated trailer wiring and electrical hookups, making it well suited for towing or hauling. The paint is in rough condition and appears to be covered with bed liner, but it is cosmetic only and can be repaired or redone to the next owner's preference. Importantly, the body is solid and not rotted, offering a strong foundation for restoration, customization, or continued use. Number 6. 1983 Ford F250, price $3,800, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 94,000 original miles and features a classic red exterior matched with a red interior. The truck runs and drives very well, with no leaks, no overheating issues, and no smoke, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The vehicle has been in the same family since new and has been very well maintained throughout its life. Despite being 42 years old, it remains in solid condition. The interior is very clean and well preserved, all lights are fully functional, and both the heater and air conditioning work very well. The truck comes with a clean Oregon title in hand, and the registration tags are valid through June 2026, making it ready for continued use or collection.
Number 7.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,700. This truck is a good running, dependable daily driver with 205,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline 4.8L V8 engine in a 2WD configuration. The truck has a blue exterior with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. As expected for its age, it has some typical rocker panel rust, but the frame is solid and in good condition. The tires still have plenty of tread left, making it suitable for daily use without immediate maintenance needs. The truck is also equipped with power windows and power door locks, and it has new door speakers installed for improved audio.
Number 8.
1964 Ford F250, price $7,000. The truck features an off-white exterior paired with an off-white interior, giving it a clean and classic look. It comes with a period-correct dealership camper shell currently installed, while the original tailgate is stored in the bed for anyone who prefers to remove the camper shell. The body is straight and rust-free. It sits on brand new tires and is powered by a 390 V8 engine equipped with a Cobra intake manifold and a Holley 4-barrel carburetor. The engine starts, but the carburetor will need to be rebuilt, and the brakes could use some attention. Recent updates include a new battery, new fuel pump, new sound deadening material applied to the floor, and new carpet.
Number 9.
1979 Chevrolet C20, price $4,350. It has approximately 70,000 miles and is powered by a strong-running 350 V8 4-barrel engine paired with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. The truck runs and drives very well and remains in very solid original condition, finished in blue on the exterior with a matching blue interior. The C20 features power steering, power brakes, and a functioning air conditioning system, adding to its comfort and drivability. It sits on nice aluminum wheels with good tires and is equipped with a newer true dual exhaust system that gives it a great sound. The truck also includes an aftermarket CD player and speakers. Overall, this is a nice, original 1979 Chevrolet C20 square body that presents well and performs as it should.
Number 10.
1970 Ford F250, price $3,600. It has approximately 75,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a black exterior. The truck runs and drives very well and has been lowered for a more aggressive stance. It is powered by a 390 big block engine with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor. The vehicle features new solid rear glass and all new seals.
Rust is very minimal, almost none overall.
There was a small spot on the floorboard that has been properly patched, with no rust in the bed or elsewhere, making it a very clean truck for its year. The exhaust is straight piped to under the cab, resulting in a very loud sound. The seller includes several extra trim pieces, an additional door panel piece, some miscellaneous parts, and the truck comes with a clear title in the seller's name.